In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset Rentry edit code. Now, the only way to do this is actually by knowing your original edit code. So if you do know it, you can do that very easily. Simply, you want to go to your Rentry, and then you want to click on the edit button here at the bottom left. And then in here, when you scroll down just below metadata over here, you can enter in your current edit code. So if you know it, of course, you can enter it here. I have hello code, and this is where you can reset it. You can basically use your new edit code and enter it over here, and then from now on, whenever you click on save, you'll be able to use this one, the new one, instead of the old one. So if I go ahead and name this one hello code 123, for example, and I copy it so I can remember it, and I click on save, this is now going to become my new edit code. So if I go to edit over here, you can see I can now go down here and use this new edit code over here to actually save and make changes. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.